It's easy to accidentally close a tab in browser and lose a web page you were browsing. But you can easily restore the tab you just closed. There are other ways to reopen the tab, but I believe you must know the shortcut. For all the browsers, a shortcut is the same. I will show you on the Brave browser. I have opened multiple tabs in the browser, and I will close one tab. Let's now get that tab back by pressing a keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+T on a PC or Command+Shift+T on a Mac. I am using a Mac and pressed Command+Shift+T and I got my closed tabs back. Let now see in Safari on Mac. The shortcut in Safari remains the same, which is Command+Shift+T. Now, I will open some websites in Safari and will close the tab. Now I will press Command+Shift+T and I will get my tab back. So, remember this quick shortcut. It will definitely be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.